Hello friends, welcome to A to Z Dentistry. This video focuses on important MCQs related to endocrinology. Hormones not secreted from anterior pituitary. TSH, ACTH, FSH, ADH. ADH. Anterior pituitary hormones are thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropin, follicular stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, prolactin, growth hormone. Posterior pituitary hormones are oxytocin and vasopressin of ADH. Function of ADH is water reabsorption, water excretion, sodium absorption, calcium reabsorption. Water reabsorption. ADH, otherwise known as vasopressin or antidiuretic hormone, and its site of action is kidneys. Decreased production of ADH result in diabetes insipidus, which stimulates uterus contraction and lets down the milk. Prolactin, FSH, oxytocin, LH. Oxytocin. Intermediate lobe of pituitary gland secrete which hormone? MSH, FSH, ACTH, LH. MSH. Melanocyte stimulating hormone is secreted by intermediate lobe of pituitary gland. Increased growth hormone during childhood result in gigantism, acromegaly, dwarfism, acromicria. Gigantism. Increased growth hormone in children's result gigantism. Increased growth hormone in adults result acromegaly. Decreased growth hormone in children's result dwarfism, and decreased growth hormone in adults result acromicria. Hormone increase in basal metabolic rate and consumption of oxygen. Growth hormone, thyroxine, calcitonin, adrenaline. Thyroxine. In children, hypothyroidism causes acromegaly, cretinism, gigantism, myxedema. Cretinism. Hypothyroidism in children is called cretinism. Hypothyroidism in adults called myxedema. Hormone lower the level of calcium in blood. Parathormone, calcitonin, thyroxine, both A and B. Calcitonin. Calcitonin decreases the serum level of calcium and it released by parafollicular cells of thyroid. Then parathormone raises the serum level of calcium and it also increases the excretion of phosphate. Low concentration of ionized calcium in the serum result in cretinism, tetany, Graves' disease, Addison disease. Tetany. Glucocorticoids secreted from zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, zona reticulata, none of the above. Zona fasciculata. Adrenal cortex secrete three major steroids. Glucocorticoids from zona fasciculata, mineralocorticoids from zona glomerulosa, and sex steroids from zona reticulata. Deficiency of cortisol cause Cushing syndrome, Graves' disease, Addison disease, acromegaly. Addison disease. Deficiency of cortisol result in Addison disease. Excess secretion of cortisol cause Cushing syndrome. In Conn's disease, there is an excess of adrenaline, thyroxine, aldosterone, cortisol. Aldosterone. In Conn's disease, there is excess secretion of aldosterone. Function of aldosterone is enhance the reabsorption of sodium ions, urinary excretion of K plus and H plus, enhance the reabsorption of potassium ions, both A and B. Both A and B. Catecholamine secreted by adrenal medulla is epinephrine, norepinephrine, dopamine, all of the above. All of the above. Adrenal medulla secretes epinephrine, norepinephrine and dopamine. Which of the following is called hunger hormone? Epinephrine, glucagon, somatostatin, thyroxine. Glucagon. Glucagon known as hunger hormone. Glucagon is secreted by alpha cells of pancreas, beta cells of pancreas, gamma cells of pancreas, none of the above. Alpha cells of pancreas. Glucagon secreted from alpha cells and insulin secreted from beta cells, and delta cell secretes somatostatin. The following hormones increase the blood glucose level except thyroxine, parathormone, growth hormone, epinephrine. Parathormone. Hormones that increase the blood glucose levels are thyroxine, growth hormone, epinephrine, cortisol and glucagon. Then parathormone and insulin decrease the blood glucose level. Endocrine glands that are not influenced by the pituitary gland include thyroid gland, adrenal medulla, adrenal cortex. Adrenal medulla, parathyroids, islets of Langerhans. Kidney, adrenal medulla, thyroid gland. Ovary, parathyroid and pancreas. Adrenal medulla, parathyroids, islets of Langerhans. These glands are not influenced by pituitary gland. Okay, it's all about endocrine system. See you with a new video. Thank you.